Hey there friends, it's time for the merriest time of year. Our Document December 2022 kit and add-ons are now available for sale. So let's take a look at the kit first and all of the amazing add-ons that we have to go along with it. So your kit comes packaged in this cute little brown paper bag, and you can take off this Document December sticker really easily so that you can save it. I like to put it on what I store my kit on. The first thing that I always love to look at is the new calendar. This is a great place to add a few notes, little stamps, stickers, things like that for the month. It's kind of like a month in review. You can put, like, went to grandma's on here, went to Disney, things like that. If you're me, that's what your December might look like. So this is a great calendar for starting off your album. Next we have, let's take a look at the tags, because I always love to look at the tags. This kind of sets the tone for the entire kit. Shows you all the beautiful colors. Okay, let's take a look at the 4x6 tags first. We have currently on the wish list a December story, joy, love, and peace, and this awesome grid that you can put photos in, which I love the idea that it says it's the most wonderful time of the year. Then we have the 3x4s. We have tradition, Christmas gathering. I love this one. Ho ho ho. All the stripes from the colors of the kit, which I really like to have that. A baking tag, notes from Christmas, and you can check eve or day. Joy, little heart. That one's fun. The shipping tags there. Christmas concert. You have a green stripe, and you also have a red stripe too. During the holidays currently, all about our Christmas tree, 1 through 5. Let's eat. Photograph notes. December by the numbers. Notes from Christmas eve or day there. So that one is in red and green. So those are all of our tags from the kit. So let's take a look at the other things included in the kit that coordinate with these. Okay, these are the Season of Wonder die cuts, and as usual, this is a huge die cut pack. Elle always fills these full, so you have December labels. This is probably my favorite, and this would be a great one to use for your title page. You have sayings. There's a fun tradition. I love these. Oh, what fun. These are great little titles that you can put on your pages. Here's some more of the December labels. You can stamp the date in here, and I will show you an exciting stamp that we have that will coordinate with that. So you have these in all these colors. You have tons of labels, tons of shapes, stars, holly. I love the pink circles. What else do we have here? There's just so many things in here. Oh, candy canes. Thanks, Santa. Love that one. Thanks, Santa. Trees. Merry and bright. This one's cute. The checklist. Cookies, pajamas, presents, photos. Yep. Perfect for Christmas Eve. Pure joy. So just so many different little shapes and labels, and just so many usable things here. Great for embellishment. Just simple embellishment that you know will coordinate with the rest of the kit. So fun. These are the Season of Wonder die cuts. I'm going to put these aside, and let's take a look at the stickers. We have the Christmas tradition stickers. So I love these because they have lots of great words, and they have your little embellishments too, like the trees, the hearts, the stars. You have your little labels, and look, it's a 2-pager. Then you have these borders. How fun are these? So you have, the multicolored stripe, you have the solid color stripe, you have the numbers. This is a countdown too, so that's pretty cool. Making new traditions. There's just so many cool usable stickers on these Christmas tradition stickers. Then we have So excited about these, the chipboard numbers. So these are that nice quality chipboard, nice and thin. So if you do a traveler's notebook, you won't have to worry about too much bulk. And they're a nice white background with a red number. You also have 3 stars, which I really love that. So if you want to count down the days, this is a great set to have. Then you have the Holiday Puffy label stickers, and these come in all the colors of the kit, and they have lots of usable words and phrases to add to your album. So excited for Santa, fa la la. So you have these labels, shapes, and you have hearts and stars. So all these products together make up your Document December 2022 kit. So you have tags, you have a calendar, you have 3 sets of stickers, and you have your awesome die cuts. So let's take a look at all of the add-ons that we have that coordinate with this kit. We're going to start off with the paper. We have 2 new paper stacks. We have the Twinkle paper stack, which has 15 designs, 2 of each design. This is a really fun one, like a cut apart sheet. You have your small icons, green dots, green grid, beautiful stripe. Love that one. Red diagonal stripe, red dots, red asterisks, so fun, that one. The hearts, the words on pink, and I love a tone-on-tone word paper, so good. Holly, this ledger, a stripe, a small multicolor stripe, and the stars with the green background. So those are those 15 designs. Then we have the Christmas ledger paper stack. So if you really love a ledger paper, then you can order just this ledger and get a few sheets of that. So this is a really handy one to have if you love to add lots of journaling to your project and you want it to look consistent throughout the month. So check out both of those new paper stacks. Okay, also included in our add-ons are 2 sets of die cuts. We have the Christmas die cut tags, and these are like shipping tags with printed designs on them. I love this. Property of the North Pole, Merry Twinkle. What else we have? Evergreen Year 2022. I love that one. Green journaling, pink ledger, fa la la. There's those great stars and stripes again, a green with a heart, making a list and checking it twice. So this is a great one for presents, 1 through 5, and a green ledger. So you have those in multiple sizes and designs, which I really like. So fun to have those sticking out of a pocket or hanging with some baker's twine. Then we have the vellum numbers, and these, you guys, are beautiful. They are red foil, so you have that beautiful red foil number, and they come all the way from 1 to 31. So if you like to document the entire month of December, then you have all of the numbers for that. So those are the 2 die cuts we have in our add-ons. Okay, we have 2 sets of Jane Tile alphabet stickers that coordinate. We have the white with dark green, and we have the dark green themselves. So they have that nice dark green background with the white alpha. So 2 great Jane Tile alphabet stickers. We also have a new sheet of Christmas phrase stickers, and these are so great. So many different phrases and words. I mean, I have no idea how Elle came up with all of these. This is a great one. First red cup of the season, sparkle and shine, finish the holiday shopping. So many different sayings, 2 sheets here for that one. Then we have the 'Tis the Season chipboard stickers. How cute are these? If you like baking, you've got your cookies here. You have holiday movie time. We love this tradition. Ho ho ho. You also have Bah Humbug if it's not your favorite time of year. So this is a really great chipboard sticker sheet, and that smooth chipboard is so great, and it's nice and thin. Then we have the Christmas hearts and stars puffy stickers. So what I love about these is you have solids and pattern designs. So you have little dots and little stripes on your hearts and star puffy stickers. So lots of great sticker options for you to choose from here that coordinate with the kit. Okay, who's ready for some new Christmas stamps? As usual, our tab stamp is going to be uber popular. This is Christmas Tabs Volume 2 stamps. You have even more designs to choose from. You also have some cute little icons like the ornament, the present, the candy cane. So you can stamp those inside of this tab. Our everyday tabs die cuts will cut these out, which is really awesome. Then you have all the words and phrases that you can add to this tab. So this is a very usable stamp to have. Even if you don't feel like putting them in the tab, these are such great phrases just to stamp around your pages. Next, we have the Christmas phrases stamp. And the thing I love about this is all the different fonts that look great. The Bah Humbug is just the best. You have jingle bells, jingle all the way. Then you have a countdown, days left until Christmas. You have the let's eat. So there's all sorts of great words and phrases here. Also great for titles as well. The December grid stamp is what I was talking about before, where you can input those numbers here. You can add December up here, input those numbers here, and then stamp a phrase, whatever you want there. I just love the different mix of fonts. You have a solid, you have an outline, you have a serif, and then you have this kind of scripty, the scripty line number. So this is a really great stamp to have if you love to add the date on every page of your album. Next up, we have the Fa La La stamp. This one is really great too because it has that big fa la. You have ho ho, elf approved, property of the North Pole. Then you have your cookie. So you can actually stamp the outline and the inside of your cookie to give it whatever color frosting that you want to add. You have sprinkles here too, which I love. And this could also be used as a fun embellishment. Oh, what fun. You have your row of asterisks here. This one's cute. Always nice, a little naughty, or always naughty. Love that one. So that's the Fa La La stamp. So we have 4 amazing new stamps for your December project, you guys. Last but not least, we have 2 new die cut frames. So these are really cool. Okay, and you might look at them and say, well, those are exactly the same, but they're not. And that's what I thought at first too. So this one is the 6 frames metal die. This actually cuts out your frame so that you cut out the square so that you can back those with photos or different pattern papers, whatever you'd like. This one creates pop-ups. So right here, this only embosses, and this cuts so that you can flip up that window and hide little pictures or journaling, whatever you want behind those windows. So these two go together perfectly to create frames and pop-ups. So super duper fun. Thank you so much for watching as I unbox all of the amazing Document December 2022 goodies from Elle's studio. The kit and the add-ons are on sale today, friends, so run, don't walk, and grab your December products so you can get ready to document a very merry season with us. We are so excited about this release. If you are a subscriber, you get special perks that you can learn about in my video notes and find the link there to subscribe. So thank you so much for watching, and we are so looking forward to documenting our December with you.